Hey there, today I'm gonna install these outdoor Bluetooth speakers made by Pyle. I got these on Amazon for about $100. Should be an easy setup that's budget friendly. Um, Great way to just quickly add some ambient background music to your outdoor space. I don't know how it sounds, but I'm guessing it's gonna be low in bass, but we'll see. Let's see what's inside the box. Everything that's needed for the installation of these speakers should be inside the box. You got your two speakers, some brackets, these screws to hold the speakers, power cord, speaker wire, hopefully long enough for my installation. They provided some screws, but I'm going to use my own. Tools you will need for this installation: power drill or screw gun, some good screws. If you don't have a drill or a screw gun, you can use a hammer and some nails. I decided to install the speakers onto this pergola. That way it's going to be easy for me to hide the wire, and this way the speakers are going to be facing the rest of the backyard. So the installation is complete. Took just a few minutes. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to play some royalty-free music to see how it sounds. That's not bad at all. So for about $100, these speakers are pretty good. The bass is not that deep, but overall the sound quality is decent. If you want to check them out, I'm going to put a link in the description.